Hello Tesla family, welcome back to Pro Tesla. Today we're going to be looking at how to change out your destination cover plate. The first thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you have turned off the power to this in your house's fuse box. You don't want any live power in here while you're working on here. Next, get yourself some hex bits. This is the same as a Allen wrench. We're going to be using the 4mm or 5/32 bit for this project. Tesla, your destination charger does come with a specially designed one. It's not worth it. Don't use it. Just get an Allen wrench. Now, if you have a look, see right down in here we have 1, 2 here, and another 2 on the bottom. We're going to pull those 4 bolts out, and we're going to get this off the wall. Okay, so now that we got this off the wall, this is the plate we're replacing here. And you can see there are 2 screws right here. We got one recessed down in here and the other on the other side. Now I have here a T10 Torx bit. It's that little star looking one. This is what you're going to need to remove this. You can get a similar one to the hex bits I have here. Just get a T10. It's going to be pretty small. These are all available at your local hardware store. I got these from Ace, and these were on Amazon. I'll leave some links down in the description below for some tools you'll need. You're going to go and just back out these 2 screws. They come off pretty easy. Okay, so once you got those off, you can see that it pops open like that. There are 2 hooks up here at the top, so you're going to slide it down and out, and you can see those hooks right here. So this is the front plate. And you go ahead and order your color changing one on Tesla, and you can replace this. So now all I got to do is do all those steps in reverse to get it back up on the wall.